Hey y'all, today I'm going to be making a dirty rice slash stir fry, whatever you want to call it. I call it dirty rice with sausage, peppers, onions, and some rice. So I'm going to chop this stuff up and then we'll get started. Now that I have everything chopped, I'm going to add a little olive oil to my pan and get it nice and hot. I'll start by cooking the sliced sausage and trying to get it brown on both sides. I'm going to take and add my peppers and onion. And I'll just cook these for maybe 2 to 3 minutes to let them soften a little. I cooked my rice ahead of time and I added salt, pepper, and parsley flakes. So this is 1 pound of sausage, 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, and 1 onion. And about 2 cups of cooked rice. You can use more or less rice, or you can add noodles instead if you would like. I'll just let this fry for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to dip some of this up and give it a taste. So delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.